Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this cut text effect, and I will also leave a project practice file in the description box so you can try it with other texts as well. So let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is start a new project file. After doing that, you're going to create a composition. Now you can choose the 4K composition or the 1080 pixels composition. So after doing that, we're going to select the text and you're going to type in whatever text you want. So what I'm going to do is just increase the size just a little bit. Select this cut layer and right click, and then you're going to select the pre-compose option. So we're going to name it text. The reason I've done this pre-composition is that when you're using the project file, all you have to do is click on this and you can change any text that you want right here, and the same effect will be applied on any text of your choice that you type in the pre-composition. So the next thing we're going to do is use the Ctrl+D command to duplicate our layer. The first thing that you're going to do is rename this as the top, and then you're going to rename the bottom one as the bottom. The next step is to create a mask, new mask, and using this we're going to slice this in half. Now what you're going to do is copy this mask right here, Ctrl+C, and apply it to the bottom layer, Ctrl+V. But here in the masks option, you're going to toggle it to inverted. So now you have the bottom half of this text, as you can see, and the other is the top half. Now what you're going to do is expand the top option. In the transform option, we are going to now select keyframes. Just toggle the position on at 0 seconds, and then at half a second you're going to put these two values in place, +20, -10. In the bottom option, then you're going to do the same thing again. At the 0 second, you're going to turn on the position keyframe, and at half a second mark, you're going to do the opposite, -20 and +10. So now, as you can see, this has been cut in half. The next option is to select both of these keyframes, press the keyframe assistant, and you're going to press Easy Ease. Do the same for the bottom layer. So if I play this, this is what it looks like. The next thing we're going to do is turn on this graph. And here you're going to press right click and you are going to select the Edit Speed Graph button. Now what we're going to do is toggle this right here and then toggle this right here. So the graph somewhat looks like this. What this is going to do is make the effect appear a lot more smoother. Select the top layer, and in Effects and Presets, you are going to select Drop Shadow. Next, you're going to drop the shadow on the top part only. Here you're going to turn the opacity to 100, increase the softness to about 200, and distance to about 50, let's see. And in the last option, you're going to change the direction to +210, and I'm going to toggle the distance value to about 120. So this is what it looks like right now. The next step is we are going to select the transform option. So copy it to the top layer, and here I'm going to skew the top layer by -5. Now Ctrl+C, copy the transform effect, and we're going to apply it to the bottom layer, and here you're going to skew it by -5 again. So now when you move your timeline, this is what the effect looks like. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to create the cut or slice effect for any text that you want in Adobe After Effects. I'm going to leave the project practice file in the description box, and from there in the pre-compose option you can change any text and the same effect will instantly be applied. If you're interested in more Adobe After Effects tutorials, please make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.